Alright, so meron ako nakita dito guys. I will just make some reaction about this um, statement came from Department of Trade Industry. I think she's Secretary Roque. And her statement says that 500 pesos, Philippine peso, is enough to celebrate this coming Christmas for Noche Buena. So the statement says, kung tutusin 500 pesos, makakabili na kayo ng ham, makakagawa ka na ng macaroni salad, makakagawa ka rin ng spaghetti, depende rin po yan kung ilan ang kakain. So, this is so funny. Um, ito yung mga taong may pinag-aralan, um, they spent a lot of money on their education, and then, as you can see, the way they think ay hindi talaga realistic. Um, First, I think they don't even have an experience spending 500 pesos for a certain celebration. Um, I think they're just basing it for some data analytics from some department or um, mga departamento nag-aaral about sa estado ng pamumuhay dito sa Pilipinas. But for me, and I think para sa karamihan din, uh, and this is very realistic na hindi talaga to kasya. Ang mabibili lang yata ngayon ng 500 is just, let's see. Let's find out actually. Let's try to find out. Makakabili na po kayo ng ham. So let's try to check. Ham, ham price, Philippines. Try natin. So 250 from about 71 for small, 250 pack small. So let's say small. Yan natin. Small lang muna ang bibilhin natin sa palengke dahil nga sabi ng DTI cash na ito. 75 pesos plus ano pa yung sinabi niya? Nagawa ko ba ng macaroni salad? Oh my God. Macaroni salad price. Let's say price kasi alam ko may mga ingredients pa to. But 65 for a single serving. 65 for a single serving? 95 to 106 small chicken macaroni. 100. So fast. Oh my God. Dito pa lang sa macaroni salad, wala na. 65 for single. Let's say 5 families. Or 5 members of the family. Ingredients tayo. Ingredients. Let's see. Basic macaroni pasta salad. Hindi ko siya maintindihan but seems like hindi talaga siya kasya. So, spaghetti. Dito na nga lang sa spaghetti, I think. Spaghetti price. Spaghetti recipes na lang. Or ingredients. Taram, wait, malam na water. There's a lot. Oh my God. Ano bang ginagawa nyo, DTI? It's so funny na makita kayo sa TV announcing the information that you're not even know what it is. Ginigipit nyo kasi yung Pilipino. And aminin natin ang administrasyon na to ay napaka talamak sa korupsyon. Even the higher position is even involved in the corruption. So, kayo guys, ano sa tingin nyo about dito sa 500 pesos? Noche Buena. Comment down below.